Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch, the last one of the trading week. And it's an important one as well, as the big Wall Street banks such as JPMorgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Citigroup are all getting their earnings calls today, later in today's session when the American market does open. So what will that mean for the stocks in general? Well, we've had a big emphasis on the big banks having such a progressive, not only 2020 but 2021 as well, as the first and second waves of the coronavirus did fall short of hitting a lot of businesses while they were down. But the banks seem to have pretty much neglected all of this. It's been negated and their stocks have risen time and time again. Wells Fargo and JPMorgan Chase up 15% year on year so far. So very, very big earnings expected for the banks, exceeding expectations most likely. So we'll see where that goes as well. More significantly, since the fourth quarter of 2016, JPMorgan Chase has only missed earnings 3 times. So we'll see if that's going to happen again, but it's not looking likely. And banks got off to a solid start in so far this year. So we'll look at what the opportunities are going forward. So JPMorgan Chase, first of all, today, I've just got these on the daily charts today because I just wanted to show the emphasis on the rise that we've seen. We're using the indicator Ichimoku cloud at the moment. It's just something that we like to have a look at the entry and exit levels and see what the opportunities are in the near term and long terms as well. So as you can see here, JPMorgan Chase was looking to hit these recent highs that we saw not so long ago. This was only in October in the last quarter, but we had quite a big dip down to the downside. But this V-shaped recovery is looking nice to the upside after we've gone through this Ichimoku cloud barrier. And more significantly, now we have punctured the barrier and now trading to the upside. So this can be a very good signal for bulls, especially as we've got no major divergences on the RSI. If this section did pick up a little bit more, there would be an obvious bearish divergence there, so we could expect prices to start coming a bit lower. However, we are looking now very, very bid, and in the near term at least, we're just seeing if prices will start manifesting to the upside a little bit more and testing this recent top. We're not expecting a break at the recent top. However, a test is likely in the next few trading sessions, but obviously with the earnings beat coming up, which is expected to exceed expectations, we are looking for a jump in the stock as well. So moving on to Citigroup. Citigroup, I looked on this last week because I wanted to see if we were going to have this downturn bounce where the Ichimoku cloud was heading and another progressive push higher. But the V-shaped recovery as well is looking on course, like it's going to... I'll just remove the other drawings for you. So what we're looking at now is this V-shaped recovery to the upside and another, let's say, $5 move, and that will start testing these recent peaks that we saw not so long ago. This was only, as I said, the same time when all the other banks started to capitulate a little bit when the Q4 did start. However, as you can see on the RSI, we are almost looking a little bit too overbought. So, we are seeing that if this does come up a little bit more, then this bearish divergence could hit a little bit sooner than expected. So keep an eye, as I said, on this consolidation, as we could get more signals going forward as well. And lastly, let's just take a look at Wells Fargo. I'll just bring this out because you can see the ascension for Wells Fargo, very, very, very buoyant. And, we actually went through this latest accentuation because after we finished this big channel to the upside, another one was created. And as you can see here, I'll just zoom it in for a better perspective, we are looking like it's breaking the channel and moving higher, trading very far away from the Ichimoku cloud. There was an area of consolidation at one point where it could have gone either way, but as you can see here, a break in and a gap in the prices saw the progression in the candlesticks as well. So that what we're looking at now is to see if it's going to push any higher, and these divergences that we might have seen if we didn't get this extra spike could have been bearish. However, it's not looking like we're having any signals at the moment for this for Wells Fargo. So they are expected, as JPMorgan Chase and Citigroup, to exceed expectations on their earnings and their revenue streams, and we'll see what's happening later on in the session. bullish. I'll be reporting the full earnings on Monday's Stock Watch, so don't miss out, and let's see what the opportunities are for the big Wall Street banks. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Have a great trading day ahead and a great weekend, and we'll speak again on Monday. Bye for now.